There we go. All right, what's up, YouTube fam? You want to show them what we got? We're very excited about something.
Daddy's gonna eat a hot pepper.
It is our first offspring from a baby. Our little Thai chili has come alive and turned red, and figured that's about as far as he's gonna go. So we're gonna eat our first pepper that we grew. What do y'all think? Oh, go ahead, Megan. Yeah. And also, we're going to do this little review of, I picked this up in the stores, made in Texas, it says, Yellow Bird.
How hot is
sauce.
this going to be?
I'm not really sure. I've eaten them plenty of times.
Ooh, I know what idea.
For a chili head, they're not hot.
Hey guys, I have no idea. Daddy can put this on the pot.
I want to taste it by itself, though. I want to taste this by itself, too. I want to be able to do but it's a habanero condiment. That's what it says.
So, Daddy.
Yes?
Don't eat a real big bite. Just eat this much.
No, gotta eat the whole thing.
Right. Okay. I'm eating.
But how do I know I'm actually eating the pepper, not all that green? I don't want the stem also.
I'm not going to put this in. Hot? Nope. It's not hot.
It's kind of bitter, actually. It's not too hot. Well,
I'm pouring it.
It might be a little warm for somebody, but
I'm pouring it.
I don't really care much for the taste of that.
I need to pour.
I'm not having a good day with reviews, am I? All right, here we go. Maybe this will make up for it. Come on. Bring it down.
Pour it.
Come on down. You gotta squeeze this one, baby. This one, you gotta squeeze it like that. All right.
Look, guys.
Don't let it spill out.
It's Jello. Here comes the airplane.
Wait. Now that makes up for it. This stuff tastes delicious. You want to try some? It's not too terribly hot. You want to try it?
No, that's for you.
All right. Another big spoon.
Oh, it almost fell. Do you want a big bite? I'm going to try it a little bit.
Maybe you're fixing to spill it all over the place.
I want to
Try a little bit.
Yeah, let me pour it a little.
All right.
Because I know how much I want.
Just a very small dab. All right, there you go.
Daddy said it. I can just lick it.
All right.
Mmm.
What do you think, Megan?
Mmm.
Good, huh?
Here, Daddy.
Ugh, I don't want any more of that. That thing is pretty. That's good stuff, huh? You want some more?
It's already burning in my mouth.
It's pretty spicy, ain't it? I got a little bit, between that pepper and that, I got a little sweat going on.
I don't got nothing.
No, because you're a chili head.
Hey guys, look, I'm going to tear my tongue apart.
Monkey lips.
I didn't tear my tongue apart. I put my tongue.
All right, we good with that. I was told by a good friend of mine, not naming his name, Thomas Elwood Bailey,
Hey,
but
Daddy,
he said that you should take over the show.
Daddy forgot to fix his hair.
I didn't forget to fix it. I just didn't really care. Today's Saturday and a relaxing day. What? You okay, baby? What are you doing? I got some of them seeds in my teeth, too.
if I put my mouth sideways, I think I can make a hole in my mouth. Do you think so?
Yes. Go. Man, I think you can stick a whole French fry right through there. Maybe even or right a French fry. I can fit one right there. All right. What do you want to add anything else besides all our teeth are missing?
Daddy's gonna get a fry.
Wait, you're putting it all over that nasty little, that wonderful pepper stem. She's going to give me one more.
No.
Oh, you got to unloosen the lid, baby. Yeah. That stuff's good. I eat the pepper too, so I don't know how much of a kick it really has, but it does. All right, that's good, baby.
Keep going.
That's good. I want to save some of this. This is delicious. We're almost halfway through that little bottle.
Ooh, a little more.
Oh, drop some. Baby, that's enough. That is enough. Oh,
Don't Daddy's fault.
Here, lick it up, Megan.
No.
That's some tasty stuff. I'm not going to let it go to waste, that's for sure. All right, guys. Anything else?
No.
All right. All right, y'all.
I taste a little bit of spice.
Uh-huh.